Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life and your maintenance due soon warning light on a 2017 Acura MDX. You can see underneath the maintenance due soon, we also have a little letter and number. In our case, it's a B1 for replacing engine oil and filter. Also to inspect various systems and components and check your manual on that, but it's basically check your tie rod ends, inspect your brakes, check all the fluids, inspect your CV boots, several little things like that for the maintenance B. The number after the letter, in our case it's a 1, means to rotate your tires and check the tire pressure. It's the same process to reset that light no matter what service is due, and it'll also reset your oil life. And the control is right here on your steering wheel. So if you scroll up and down with this little wheel right here on your steering wheel, you can see there's our oil life 15%, tire pressure. We just want to get into vehicle settings. This little wheel, you also just push it down and that selects that item. So we'll just go down to maintenance info and select that. And then here it's asking us maintenance reset. And right now it's on cancel. So if you push the button, it'll just cancel out of this. So you need to scroll to reset and then push that button. And it says reset completed. So then we can just scroll all the way up to exit, push that, and let's scroll up and there you go. Oil life is at 100%. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.